break into the crate and we'll figure out what lies underneath all of this fancy wood. I'm Shane from Classic Car Club. We have some parts from Roush branded, but they are sort of a factory style to what we have on our Wild Track right now. Probably lighter weight, slightly. Good for our big beefy tires. More spokes, because I think ours are just a 6 spoke. All right. Ugh. So we really don't know what we're getting here. Air filter. Watch, I got that right. Oh, I think I did. I think it has one of those like waterproof covers. Yeah, it does. So if you're running through water, this is supposed to be like a breathable material that's water repellent. Quite possibly one of the most important things in this box are some all-weather floor mats. The carpeting in the Bronco is horrendous and it loves to trap dirt and debris. So the further away we can keep dirt and debris from the carpet, the better. And these are nice. These are, you know, obviously laser fitted. They're gonna fit perfectly. And they're Roush branded. Some decals to let everyone around us know. Yeah. Hitch cover. Yeah.
Oh no.
That's a toolkit.
Recovery.
Oh, sweet. Something. Some sort of locking cover box. This looks like an outside unit. Exhaust, exhaust, exhaust. Big fan of the floor mats. Much needed. The wheels are gonna look really cool. You know, switch up the look. You know, you have a car for 6 months to a year. You kind of get tired of things and want to make a change.
Decals.
Decals. There's an exhaust hiding somewhere. We will find it. Ugh. It's got to be the one with the straps.
Yeah,
right.
Yep.
Aftermarket muffler. Some clamps. Tips. Very cool.
Is that Bronco pretty quiet out of the box?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, just like any sort of stock off-road truck. Same for the Jeeps. I think that's about it. We have a lot of really cool parts that Roush sent out. Wheels, exhaust, intake, and we're gonna sort of be putting this all together for the members. We're gonna have members mechanics night where they'll get to spend some quality time with our mechanic Pat and install some of the parts, put that exhaust on, assemble the intake, put some tires on these wheels. After that, we'll be showcasing the car for Gears on the Piers event. We appreciate you tuning in and look forward to some more content with this Bronco.